goodbye. Cristiano Ronaldo, goodbye. Nemar Jr. World Cup 2026. The final chapter, the final goodbye. Two legends, two icons, two players who changed football forever. The era is over, but the memories will live forever. Two boys with impossible dreams, one from Madeira, one from Brazil. Different journeys, different stories, but the same love for the beautiful game. Ronaldo, the machine, the goals, the records, the trophies, the mentality. Neymar, the magician, the skills, the creativity, the moments of magic together. They inspired the world. They gave us everything, they gave us emotions, they gave us unforgettable nights that carry the nations. Portugal, Brazil, with pride, with passion, with their hearts. Goodbye, Cristiano Ronaldo. Goodbye, Nemar Jr. Thank you for every memory. Thank you for every moment. You gave us dreams, you gave us magic, you gave football everything. One unforgettable era, Cristiano Ronaldo, Nemar Jr. The world will never forget you. The World Cup was the final dream, the biggest stage, the last chance for Portugal. For Brazil they fought until the end, they gave everything. But football doesn't always write the perfect ending. One dream remained unfinished, one trophy stayed away, but greatness was never on